the newspaper on fire.
Now it's raining. And that will keep going for a long time because we had so much reaction. Ready?
Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh my god!
That would have gone about 50 feet in the air.
Oh, I broke it. Oh my god.
It's still coming out.
Oh yeah.
3, 2, 1.
All right, that was pretty good.
Hello.
Okay, here we go. Here goes. Ready? Here goes.
Oh no.
What the heck?
It has combusted upon the ceiling.
Look, looks like a giant beehive.
That reminds me of something.
Look at that. Keep it rolling. That was pretty good. Slammed into the ceiling. If it wasn't for that ceiling, it might have gone even higher. It would have gone. Alright, go ahead and start it.
It looks like a chocolate.
Here we go. Ready? Here it is.
Whoa!
There it goes.
That's
Now-
crazy. Look, it's about to fall.
And now it's going to keep going.
Oh,
Keep going.
still going.
Yo, Elliot, you should stand under.
Look, it looks like a giant hornet's
Elliot, you
nest.
stand under the mic.
Oh.
Trey, no, don't do that.
It's falling
It's about
down.
to fall.
About to
Mr. Ryan,
fall.
watch out. It's going to burn you.
About to fall.
Whoa.
There it goes.
That was anticlimactic.
I think I want to give it a hug. It looks really fluffy.
Can you brush your teeth with that?
So we,
I want to give
Don't
this
light
a
the
hug.
newspaper on fire.
now it's raining. It's
Look
raining.
how fluffy and bubbly it is.
Yeah, it looks like toothpaste.
It's raining.
Light it on fire.
It's so white now. Yeah, white.
It will. And that will keep going for a long time because we had so much reactants.
Not now, don't let it on fire now. Let it go.
There's a lot of oxygen in there, so let me drop a match in there and we'll drop a match in there and see if it glows.
That match is never to be sighted.
Well, still going.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
I can smell it. It smells like dish soap.
No, it actually smells so good. That's what it makes me want to give it a hug.
Hi to
A lot of
YouTube.
toothpaste.
Hey, YouTube. This is about to
A
explode.
lot of
Watch this.
toothpaste. Maybe in the spring we'll do it outside and see what you
Elliot.
because that would have gone like that probably would have gone
It's about to
50 feet in
explode.
the air.
It's really fluffy.
Still going.
Hey, guys.
That's actually really cool.
Wait.
What if
That's
you,
actually really
have
cool.
you seen Mark Rober's videos where he
I did,
does
yeah.
it, blows up an entire house?
Yeah.
Devils.
Gnarly dude.